Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today we are doing patriotic song which name is Chak De India. So let's start with the first lesson. Let's start. Okay, the first step is you have to tap your leg 3 times, then back. So whenever you using right leg, so take it forward, side, side together. Same with the left leg, forward, side, side together. So how we doing is tap, 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 back, tap, 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 back. So how we doing is tap, 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 back, tap, 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 back. So with this leg movement, you have to use your hand. So how we doing is 1, 2, 3, 4. So with your right hand, you have to hit on your left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. So same with your left hand, right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. So join the both step, leg and hand movement, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our first step. And now the second step is use your both hand and swing and clap, swing and clap. Okay, here is also a 2 steps. First is swing your hand and clap, swing your hand and clap. Now with what you have to do with your legs out and feet together, legs out and feet together. So do it together. Legs out and swing your hand and feet together and clap together. So swing and clap, swing and clap. So you have to do this together. So this is our second step. Now the third step. Third step is feet together and hold your elbows like this. Now what you have to do is whenever you hitting right side, so you have to take your elbow down to up, like this, down to up. So how we doing is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are hitting 4 times right side. Same with left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we doing. So now again we included a leg step as well. So what we doing with the leg, we are doing tapping like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So with your hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your third step. Now the fourth step again is swing your hand, clap, swing your hand, clap. Swing your hand, feet, legs out and clap and feet together. Swing your hand, legs out and feet together, clap. So this is our fourth step. Fifth step is turn back and forward. If you taking turn from the left shoulder like this, then remember you have to come again through this left shoulder, not like this. No. If we going through left side, left shoulder, then you have to back from there only. So what we're doing is use your hand like this, chop, chop it, chop it. So what we're doing is 1, 2. So this is our fifth step. Do like this, jump, back side, then forward. So this is our fifth step. So let's see how it looks on song. Let's play the song and do it again. Now go. कुछ करिए, नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, कुछ करिए। So here is the lesson 1 of patriotic song Chak De India. Do practice at home and learn more and more. Bye bye.